Right. Um, my extractor fan. Can't see clear because of the light. Fuck it. Right. This is my extractor fan. Got five fans. You've just seen in one of my other videos. The inside of it before I sealed it up with this masking tape. The only reason why I did that is to just see if I can improve the efficiency of the extractor fan. I haven't put it to the test with my solder as of yet, but I'm gonna do that right now. Just gonna there you go. Alright, power it on. As you can see, it works pretty freaking well. Oh shit, what distance is this? We gotta measure this motherfucker. 8 inches? Did you get it 8 inches? Oh shit. Oh shit. 8 inches, nigga, what? Right. Try a bit further. We are now at a distance of 13 inches. See if it is just a bit of no, actually no, that's not fair. Still kind of does the job. Doesn't come in my face. It gets blown towards the fans, and then okay, you missed out there the shot of the 30. So guys, my extractor fan. I'm pretty pleased with the outcome of this thing. It works pretty great. I may improve it later on at some point. I don't know, put flashing LEDs, put a circuit in it, and make it do some other things. Put some LEDs in the fans themselves, for aesthetics. It actually feels like a fact, like it's proposed. It wants to propel itself.